Hello crafters, Uno here. In this video, let's familiarize ourselves with the spinning top. Alright, so this is how a spinning top looks like. As you can see, it has a small body. The upper and lower wick are almost equal. It is the calm before the storm. It is best to buy or sell half of your position. Spinning top in an uptrend. Spinning top in a downtrend. Let's spot some spinning tops and see what happens next. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be updated every time I post a new video.